Tercero. I'm a plant-based vegan chef based in Worcester, and I'm also the author of the cookbook, Plant-Based Diet in 30 Days. I'm gonna show you my favorite tips and tricks for grilling vegetables on a grill. I'm gonna show you my favorite tools that I like to use for grilling tofu. I'm gonna show you my 3 favorite marinades with 3 different flavor profiles for grilling vegetables and making them delicious. So let's make my 3 favorite marinades. These are all different flavor profiles. The first one I'm gonna do is a lemon and garlic Dijon marinade, which is great for giving just a pop of flavor to all your vegetables and even tofu. It's great on corn on the cob. It's great on mushrooms, eggplant, make some skewers, really, really delicious. It's what I call a quick marinade because there's a lot of acid in there. So all you need for it is a lemon, and you're just gonna squeeze it into a bowl, salt, Dijon mustard, and garlic powder I'm gonna use today because I'm feeling like I wanna make it super simple for you. Just put 2 big blobs, there we go. Then a little bit of salt, garlic. You know, you want to adjust it depending on the size of your haul that you're going to be grilling, but this is, you can double it or triple it. I'm going to put some corn on the cob with this. Take the corn on the cob when it's raw and just kind of spread this on the outside. I'm going to do it with some mushrooms and some eggplant as well. It's going to be super tasty. It's super accessible to everybody. The other one that I'm going to do is a miso. I should have had that ready, right? I'm going to take some miso, a tablespoon of miso. I'm going to take a little soy sauce. There we go. And I'm going to put a little bit of sesame oil. Toasted sesame oil is always the most flavorful. And I'm just gonna put a little bit of water to water it down. And I'm just gonna mix that. This is amazing on shiitake mushrooms. I used to go to a sushi joint in Berkeley, California called Kerala. And they had this robata grill that was incredible, and they sold skewered shiitake mushrooms that were like literally heaven. You've never tasted anything so delicious in your life. Okay, third one. This is more of a, I'm gonna use the quotes, tandoori. I'm gonna use some vegan yogurt, plain, unsweetened. I'm going to throw 2 tablespoons in there. The regular curry powder, mix it in there. It's about a tablespoon. We'll mix it in here like this. Just let it chill. Here's our lemon Dijon. Here's our miso marinade. And here's our, air quotes, tandoori. I got my tofu, and I'm just gonna press it. I don't have any kind of special gadgets. I'm just gonna put it on a plate, put another plate on top, and then weight it down. Always hold your knife like this. Can you see how I'm holding it? I'm holding it where I'm actually pinching the blade. I've got my fingers wrapped around the handle, but I'm pinching the blade with my thumb and my regular mushrooms are the bomb in this lemon Dijon marinade. It's literally like mouth-watering. This is my favorite way to eat mushrooms. And I just like, they're like candy. They grill up and they get all like, they just soak up that flavor. The lemon and Dijon and salt and garlic just like pop it. It's like, it's killer. Go in between the grates, like so. Here I've got a paper towel. I've put a couple tablespoons of oil on the paper towel, and I'm just gonna fold it like this. This will do two things. It will clean my grates, but it will also slightly lubricate them, and they'll get hotter for when I put the food on. So I'm just gonna take it and rub it like this. I want you to trust the process. Don't rush flipping food, especially foods like tofu that stick. You don't want to flip it too early. This is my trusty flat edge spatch. This is my favorite tool. I could never live without. So what I do with this guy, I'm gonna take it, I'm gonna check out my eggplant and see how the marks are looking. I'm gonna take it, I'm gonna actually touch it to the grate, and I'm gonna slide it under. Oh, this looks good. So this has got some nice marks on it. I'm gonna give it a flip. Same with this one. The eggplant doesn't stick as bad as some of the other ones, like tofu. Here is the bird's eye view. I'm gonna touch it to here, and I'm gonna slide it. See, that just unstuck it like that? Look at this tofu. The mushrooms, you just want to move them around. See how this one has shrunk because it burned? One little guy. See how it's got some nice color on it? And slide that under. I'm curious about this tandoori one. It doesn't have enough color on it yet. I'm not going to flip those other ones. I'm going to close this up. Everything is coming along nicely. I went and ran and got some corn on the cob that I'm just going to toss in this lemon Dijon marinade as well. Everything looks like it's cooking really good. Vegetables on a grill, you want to make sure that you're not cooking the hell out of them. So that means you're going to pull them off before they're 100% cooked. I'm going to throw some corn on the grill too. So that back area is my not hot spot. So that's where I'm going to put these corn, because the corn needs to cook for a while. Making sure they're coated. They are. We're looking good. I'm going to turn this side down a little because I don't need it to go crazy. And I'm going to close it up again. I am throwing on a few Impossible burgers for the kids, in case they're feeling impossible. You feel me? My trick works really good with veggie burgers and plant-based burgers, especially these like kind of meaty ones, you know. Check it out. Just doing the back flip, and I'm going to close it up. Check these. Super good. I can't wait to eat one of those mushrooms. I'm gonna do it. It's so hot. Oh my God. Nothing is more delectable than a grilled shiitake mushroom. I don't feel bad about eating them all because my husband doesn't like mushrooms. What is that? Oh my God. So good. Happy grilling. I hope you enjoyed this portion of the New England VegFest summer vegan eats summer vegan eats cooking demo series. Once again, Sara Tercero, aka Better Food Guru. Check me out on Instagram, check out my website, check out my book. My book is full of easy and delicious recipes for people who aren't chefs. I hope you had fun with me. I had fun with you. Happy summer, happy grilling. I don't know, I was gonna say go vegan, but you probably already have.